When the idea of this video came to me, I did a search on YouTube on how to get more views because I thought I would be the first actually to have that idea. And the search result showed 314 million. So I went and checked about 4 of them, and I'm amazed. Nobody has actually thought of this idea. YouTube tell you that engagement is king. In other words, commenting, liking, disliking. Yes, you heard that right, disliking. For those who can't wait for the creator to upload a video just to hit the dislike button, thinking, yes, I got him. I hate to tell you that you're actually promoting the video because dislikes count just as much as likes. So the question is how to promote engagement. Other than doing obnoxious things such as disrespecting dead people, it is very simple. Just make a typo, preferably in the title of the video. Grammatical error is even better. Watch and marvel how the comments will start pouring in. Most of the comments pointing out your mistake are actually from your fans who jump at the fact they are helping you, and that's done out of the goodness of their heart. The rest are split by those people who watch like hawks waiting for you to slip up, or those who have an OCD when it comes to grammar and spelling. And finally, by those who never comment but feel they have at last something solid to comment on that no one else can argue with them. Exercise your misspelling, abuse the grammar, and thrive.